We go YouTube with the 20-gallon compressor. Here one of my guns. It's a Husky HBLP gun. I'm ready to start shooting, y'all. Hi YouTube, you got wood grain back in the building now, y'all. Finally got my compressor. My wife got me a 20-gallon compressor for Father's Day. Tool shop. It ain't the best, but shit, it's working for me. So got the compressor now, guys. Also picked up some guns and everything. I got my holes. I got some guns. I got 5 guns, y'all. Harbor Freight and Husky. Some nice starter guns. Right now I'm just out here messing around. I got a little bit of paint I can test with. Matter of fact, I might just do that. But I'm just showing y'all some of the new stuff I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna get some paint and I'm finna do some test panels and I'll get back at y'all. Alright YouTube, here we go. And do a test paint. I got some this ain't no auto paint, this is just some airbrush paint. So it's water based. Right back, y'all.
I think it's not on.
This is a test panel, y'all. It's my first time. Alright, y'all, a little preview. I'll get back at y'all. Alright, YouTube, it's the second coat. Now this piece ain't all the way smooth, like I told you, it was the test piece, but it's laying down on that, y'all. This piece ain't nowhere near smooth, but it's a test panel. One of the pieces that I'm just testing the paint out on. Can't wait till I get that dash back out the car and spray them up. But this ain't gonna be the color. I'm just testing them out with some airbrush colors. It's airbrush colors. Hi YouTube, the third coat. The third coat, y'all. I'm liking this gun, man. Shit, I'm so happy that my wife bought me that compressor. Shit, watch, y'all finna see this glass turn to porcelain. This porcelain turn to glass. Yeah. Like I say, this is a test piece. This is a piece I did about 2 years ago. I never finished it because it didn't fit. So it came in handy right now. Ain't even no clear on here. This is all water base coat airbrush paint. So I'm testing out with airbrush paint before I get the auto paint. But this is the third coat, y'all. I'm gonna shoot it one more coat when it dry. I'm using this small Harbor Freight, this small one. Got the regulator and all that goodies. Gun actually worked pretty good. I've been testing all these guns out. This Husky. I got this gun from Home Depot. This gun paint real good too. I mean, a lot of people say that you gotta have good guns, which, you know, it has its benefits up and down with it. But once you start playing with these guns and seeing how to work them, shit, MB, he was doing some damage over there with this Harbor Freight gun, man. So, hell, I decided to give it a try, guys. So, everybody know Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. And, shit, bless everybody. Hope everybody having a good day. So this is my first fiberglass test paint piece, test panel. This color is green with the fluorescent yellow. I kind of made this color, so it's popping a little bit. I'm gonna hit it one more coat when this flash off. I'm gonna call it a wrap, and start working on. I gotta take the dash out the car. I gotta paint my rear deck, center console. That's next. Indoor panels, like I said, I'm taking it one step at a time. So I'm just showing y'all some of this footage, man. Like again, once again, Happy Father's Day, y'all.